Transform your everyday looks into chic ensembles with these simple tips. Welcome to the world of DIY elegance, where everyday sophistication is just a style tip away. Today we're diving into the realm of accessorizing, strategic layering, and the transformative power these can bring to your everyday wardrobe. These easy-to-follow hacks are designed to infuse a dash of class into your daily fashion choices, making elegance an effortless affair. So buckle up, style seekers. Get ready to elevate your style game with these DIY elegance hacks. First, let's talk about the power of accessories. Accessories, my dear friends, are the secret sauce to adding a dash of elegance to any outfit. They're the finishing touches, the icing on the cake, if you will. Consider the simplicity of a delicate necklace or the statement a chunky bracelet can make. These little pieces can totally change the vibe of your outfit, adding that touch of sophistication we all crave. And let's not forget about scarves, hats, and belts. A silk scarf can add a touch of class to a basic tee, a stylish hat can elevate a simple dress, and a chic belt can transform your favorite pair of jeans. Remember, it's all about balance. Too many accessories can make your ensemble look cluttered, so aim for a few key pieces that complement your outfit and personal style. Remember, the right accessory can take your outfit from drab to fab. Next up, strategic layering. Layering is more than just throwing a jacket over a shirt. It's an art, a way to add depth and intrigue to your outfit while also providing practical warmth and comfort. There's a strategy to it that can elevate your everyday style. Picture this: a crisp white button-down, layered with a lightweight knit sweater, topped off with a classic trench coat. Each layer brings its own element to the ensemble, creating a rich tapestry of textures and colors. Or consider a simple summer dress. Add a light denim jacket and a flowing scarf, and you've transformed a single piece into a multi-dimensional outfit. Layering isn't just for cold weather either. In warmer months, think light, airy fabrics and sleeveless vests. Even accessories like belts and statement necklaces can serve as layers, adding that extra pop to your look. Remember, the goal is to add interest, not bulk. With strategic layering, you can create numerous chic looks with the same set of clothes. Now let's see these tips in action. We start with, let's say, a simple pair of jeans and a plain white tee. A classic combo, no doubt, but it's a blank canvas waiting for a touch of elegance. Now imagine this same outfit, but with a few simple tweaks. First, we've added a tasteful gold pendant necklace, transforming the plain tee into a backdrop for a touch of shine. We've also swapped out the casual sneakers for a pair of chic black ankle boots. With just these two changes, the outfit has started to exude a subtle elegance. But we're not stopping there. Next, we've layered a tailored blazer over the tee, instantly elevating the look with a structured silhouette. And voila! With just a few easy changes, the outfit has transitioned from casual to classy. Now let's look at the two side by side. The before, a comfortable yet commonplace ensemble. And the after, the same base elements, but with an added layer of sophistication. It's all in the details. The gold pendant adds a hint of luxury, the ankle boots bring a stylish edge, and the blazer provides a polished finish. Each component works together to transform the everyday into the extraordinary. See the difference? With just a few tweaks, you've transformed your everyday look into a chic ensemble. And the best part? You've done it yourself, using items that were likely already in your wardrobe. It's DIY elegance at its finest. And there you have it, simple tips to add class to your everyday wardrobe. We've journeyed through the realms of accessorizing and strategic layering, unlocking the secrets to an effortlessly chic vibe. These easy-to-follow tips and tricks can transform your casual looks into refined, sophisticated ensembles, infusing an elegant touch into your daily fashion choices. Imagine the difference you can make to your style, the heads you can turn, and the confidence you can gain. It's not about reinventing the wheel, but about adding that dash of elegance that makes the wheel turn smoother and look more appealing. And the best part, it's all doable with what you already have in your closet. So what are you waiting for? Give these tips a try and see the magic unfold. Remember, style is a way of saying who you are without having to speak. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share your favorite DIY elegance hacks in the comments. Stay chic and stylish. See you next time to get your fashion fix here.